shisien nga khublei pi ki Paralok kiba peit iaki ke video nga charli ban nga pdiang sngewbha pi shakane ke YouTube channel. Paralok hagane ke video ko bamenta ngan translate iaki katto katne ki sentence ki donkam bat ki bangi donkam naka por shakapor. Hagane ke video ko bamenta ngan translate naka English shaka khasi sngewbha ya peit naduh sdang haduh bukut ke video khnang ba pin sngewthuh.
In English, what is your name? In khasi, pikerteng kumno. What is your name? Pikerteng kumno. In English, what is this? In khasi, kane. What is this? Kane. In English, where is he? In khasi, udon. Where is he? Udon. In English, how it is. In khasi, kumno kalong. How it is, kumno kalong. In English, what happened? In khasi, jia ayu. What happened? Jia ayu. In English, who came? In khasi, mano bawan. Who came? Mano bawan. In English, what is the matter? In khasi, kawei kadaw. What is the matter? Kawei kadaw. In English, who is this? In khasi, mano ine. Who is this? Mano ine. In English, how much it is? In khasi, katno kane. How much it is? Katno kane. In English, how many people? In khasi, kanungut kibriu. How many people? Kanungut kibriu. In English, what did you say? In khasi, piong ayu. What did you say? Piong ayu. In English, what will happen? In khasi, kawei kaban saja. What will happen? Kawei kaban saja. In English, what do I do? In khasi, kawei ngale. What do I do? Kawei ngale. In English, what did you see? In khasi, ïohi ayu. What did you see? ïohi ayu. In English, why did you come? In khasi, balai piwan. Why did you came? Balai piwan. In English, how old are you? In khasi, katno pyndon. How old are you? Katno pyndon. In English, what was there? In khasi, don ayu hangta. What was there? Don ayu hangta. In English, in which place? In khasi, hakano kajaka. In which place? Hakano kajaka. In English, what have you done for me? In khasi, pilale ayu nagabenta jonga. What have you done for me? Pilale ayu nagabenta jonga. In English, do you eat Chinese food? In khasi, pibam jimbam Chinese. Do you eat Chinese food? Pibam jimbam Chinese. In English, who will see me? In khasi, mano banyo iyanga. Who will see me? Mano banyo iyanga. In English, what will you do? In khasi, pinsale ayu. What will you do? Pinsale ayu. In English, where is she? In khasi, kadon. Where is she? Kadon. In English, where are you? In khasi, pyndon. Where are you? Pyndon. In English, are you coming or not? In khasi, pinwan na em. Are you coming or not? Pinwan na em. In English, who will do this? In khasi, mano banle yakane. Who will do this? Mano banle yakane. In English, who will buy? In khasi, mano ban thiet. Who will buy? Mano ban thiet. In English, I will do as you say. In khasi, ngan sale kumba piong. I will do as you say. Ngan sale kumba piong. In English, who are you? In khasi, pidai mano. Who are you? Pidai mano.
To khublei shibun ba pilih peit naduh sdang haduh bukut kane ke video. Kawei lada phi jong mutoi lemba kane ke video sngewbha like ya kane ke video. Kumjuru share ya kane ke video saki Paralok jong phi saki paramajan marpa jong phi. Khnang ba kiru tip kumba pitin. Te lada pyndon ban keli dan ban ong sngewbha pentip yanga lemba ke comment box. Khublei shibun ya ke por ke bakor dor ke jong phi tedang ya tur shikmat.